Hey y'all, welcome to the herd of worms. We've added another 16 bins here in our breeding room, and we don't always have time or the fresh fruits and vegetables to give to the herd. So today's video, I wanted to show you how we use some dry worm chow to help supplement feeding the herd here on occasion. What we got here, it's just a mixture of oatmeal, some whole grain flour, some cornmeal, some crushed oyster shell. It's fairly inexpensive, easy to put together. Store it here in a bucket with a lid on it. I tell you, the herd loves to graze on it. So just to show you, this is about 12 hours after putting it in the bin. And I tell you, the herd sure made short work of it. They really seem to like the stuff. And I do too. I can feed all 16 bins in a couple minutes. So hope this helps you guys out if you need to. If you like the video, if you give me a thumbs up, that'll really help me out, helps the channel out. And if you want to see future content from our herd here, click on the subscribe button. We'd love to have you. Thanks for watching.